Antibiotics can be a fantastic remedy for an acute infection, but when they're used repeatedly over a long period of time, there's a price to pay. And the price that we pay is the eradication of critical, important bacteria that we need in our intestinal system to actually receive the nutrients that we're trying to get from food. The result of this is a lot of problems, including suppressed immunity and other types of functionality that make our lives miserable. With nutrition response testing, we're able to identify the precise missing aspects of our digestive health and restore it. If you'd like to know more about nutrition response testing and what it could do for you, visit our website at michaelformandom.com.